Hello, this is Maciej from XTRF. In this video, I'm going to talk about our latest take on project management, smart projects. Smart projects have been developed with a few critical factors in mind: ease of setting up a project and high-level user friendliness that translates to clarity and streamlined operation in a single-page design. As always, we were big on automation, so we thought about that too. One of the big things in the smart projects is navigation. Everything is scrollable on a single page. A side panel will help you get to places even quicker. In the Order section, you will see basic project details like dates, important notes from the client, and for internal use. In the Languages section, you pick which languages the translation will include. Also, specialization for the entire project is chosen here. One click below is the Process section, where you can see the sequence of events based on a template. This is controlled by the service type chosen in the beginning. I will talk about the details in a separate video, but to make things clear, you can of course modify the process on the go or pick a different template. The template itself will stay intact for future use. Just like before, you can select a vendor manually or send a job offer. We have some nice improvements to this mechanism, but I will tell you more in a different video. Note that on the right-hand side panel, we will see the details of the project. But if we highlight any of the steps in the process, the details of that job will show. This will prove very helpful when taking care of a single step. You probably noticed that even though I chose several languages, we can see just one sequence of jobs. This is because we changed the way language pairs are shown, and now we can see everything in a single layout. I will get into details in a separate video. A bit lower is Job Scheduling tool. It will help you manage the timeline of your project in a very friendly graphical style. Slide the jobs to see how the dates adjust. Of course, you can fine-tune or manage them manually on the Job Details panel. One completely new option here is automatic adjustment of deadlines based on your vendor's productivity. Tell XTRF how much they can handle and it will act accordingly. Next stop is where you insert files. Drag and drop or open dialog box to choose files. Here is one major change that we introduced. Instead of putting files in packages or bundles as we have done so far, we introduced file categories. Such labels will be used to distribute the files accurately. Each job in the process keeps adjustable settings that control file categories available for and expected from vendors. Note that some file formats like CAT analysis or bilinguals will be automatically recognized and categorized by XTRF to save you some time. Moving on, we get to Finance section. Here it's all about the right margin, what you receive and what you pay for the project. Receivables and Payables tabs will allow you to enter your financial details just like you need them. Having them all in one place will make the process quicker and easier than ever. No major changes have been introduced to the way the Receivables and Payables work, but you will now see all the language combinations within one view. Just a click away is the People section. Simply put, it's where you see all the personnel involved, on the vendor's side, your client's end, as well as your own team. At the very bottom, you will see the Quality Assurance section, which can be useful if you send customer satisfaction surveys and gather customer appraisals or complaints. Vendor evaluation can be performed here too. Please note that categories and custom fields are also applicable in smart projects. This makes our walk through a smart project complete. Thanks for watching my video, and as always, thank you for choosing XTRF.